If you're building a gaming PC and want a monitor that's fast, sharp, and budget-friendly, the Asus TUF VG279QM5A is a popular candidate. But with a 27-inch Full HD panel, 240Hz refresh rate, and gaming-focused specs, is it a bargain or a compromise? Let's break it down. So the VG279QM5A is a 27-inch monitor with a fast IPS panel at Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixels. It supports 240Hz refresh, offers a super fast 0.3 millisecond per 1 millisecond GTG response time, and is both NVIDIA G-Sync compatible and supports AMD FreeSync Premium. It also packs extras for gamers: eLMB sync to reduce motion blur, anti-glare coating, wide 178-inch viewing angles, and adjustable stand options including tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments. For competitive or fast-paced games, shooters, MOBAs, racing, this monitor can shine. The high refresh plus low response time means more fluid motion and very little ghosting or motion blur. Input lag is minimal, which helps with reaction-based play. Colors are decent for an IPS panel, and the wide 178-inch viewing angle makes it flexible even if you shift position or play with friends. Built-in speakers, anti-flicker, low blue light modes, and VRR support add to convenience. All in all, a solid performance-first monitor at a relatively modest price compared to premium 1440 pixel or 4K screens. The VG279QM5A isn't perfect, and there are trade-offs. The biggest limitation is Full HD 1080 pixel on a 27-inch panel. That means pixel density is somewhat low. Text and UI might look soft compared to 1440 pixel or 4K displays. If you care about crispness for productivity, media editing, or big open world games with detailed graphics, you might notice the lack of resolution. Also, HDR support is minimal. Brightness or contrast is modest, so HDR content won't look spectacular. The monitor makes a lot of sense if you mostly play fast-paced competitive games like FPS, MOBA, and esports. You prioritize refresh rate and responsiveness over image fidelity, and you're on a budget but still want a large screen with solid gaming-centric features. It's less ideal if you want sharp visuals for creativity, editing, or detailed single-player games. And if you prefer high resolution or want to future-proof a build with 1440 pixels or 4K, for many gamers, the VG279QM5A is absolutely worth it. It delivers excellent performance where it matters: fluid, responsive gameplay, smooth motion, and solid color and viewing angles. If you care more about image sharpness or visual luxury, you might want to consider stepping up to a higher resolution monitor. But for what it offers, it's a strong budget to mid gaming monitor, especially if speed matters most. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.